Para sa akin, decent na yung performance natin, but again, we could have done better. Huwag muna tayo masyadong umasa dito sa Asian Games team na to dahil sobrang late na talaga yung preparations natin. I believe na yung World Cup naman part naman din ng preparation nila during the World Cup was the Asian Games. But again, marami nangyari, so back to zero tayo, no? First, huwag muna tayo umasa masyado dito sa Asian Games. We hope for the best, but huwag masyadong umasa. And then secondly, after the Asian Games, sana magkaroon na talaga ng mga measures para hindi na maulit itong ating World Cup performance, no? We could have done better if maganda yung preparation and meron tayong mga shooters. We have a lot more things to do, no? Sana wag tayo masatisfy sa 1-4 record. I know that victory against China, maganda rin for our morale, but yung long term, yun ang tignan na nila after the World Cup because I believe kaya naman natin yung mga ibang bansa. Nakita naman natin yung performance natin sa mga games natin against the top teams. Para sa akin, very respectable na yun. I think we still need to close out games, and I think in order to do that, kailangan marami pa tayong experience sa mga FIBA competitions. And again, we have to have a good program where we would be focused on getting shooters or training shooters and recruiting some big players. No? So I think hopefully this World Cup would be an eye-opener for everyone. Para sa akin, decent na yung performance natin, but again, we could have done better. So hopefully there would be programs, long-term programs that will happen after the Asian Games.